Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make paper popsicle only way. Fold a square sheet into thirds and crease each fold tightly. Trim the top into a rounded popsicle shape and glue the overlapped edges. Slide a thin cardboard stick into the open bottom, secure with glue, and press until sealed. Let the glued edges dry under a light book. Finish by decorating with markers, paint, or stickers for realistic color layers. Measure and cut squares of paper about 3.5 inches for a small popsicle or larger for hand-sized crafts. Use cardstock for durability or origami paper for thin layers and crisp folds. Prepare white craft glue, a thin cardboard strip for the stick, scissors, and markers so you can assemble and decorate without interruption. Work on a protected surface and keep a damp cloth handy to wipe excess glue. Test folds on scrap paper. Start by folding the square into thirds and making crisp creases along each line. Cut the top into a rounded popsicle curve and overlap the edges before applying glue to seal. Slide a thin cardboard strip in as the stick, secure it with a dab of glue, and press the base until the bond holds. Let the piece dry under a light book to keep shape. Once dry, add color stripes, sprinkles, or a glossy finish for realism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.